Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to complete the second activity, the evidence of energy activity in the 1.3 lesson of the Harnessing Human Energy unit. So when you click on this activity here, your page is going to look very similar to this. And this information is super important moving forward with all of our Amplify activities into understanding how to complete them. So to start, if we look up here, we kind of have some directions here. We're going to launch this sorting tool here, and we're going to click on it here in a second. And we're going to follow the instructions below, okay? For some of our classes, we may have partners. For others, we might not. But our goal for this activity is to look at each object and decide whether you can see evidence of energy or not. We're going to look at that here in a second. Now, some tips, tricks, some do's and don'ts. As we're completing the activity, we should be thinking about the definition of energy as you look at each object, okay, and whether or not you see energy. If you can't see it, you're going to be dragging it into one side, and if you can see it, you'll be dragging to another. We've done a similar activity like this before. When we are done, we're going to leave objects that we're unsure of in the toolbar, and then a few things. Scroll down to make sure you get all the objects, and remember that energy is the ability to make things move or change. That's our key concept there, okay? And we're going to end by coming back to this page. So when we click on this link here, it's going to take us to this sorting tool. It's going to look very similar, but notice a few things have changed. Things that have energy, I can't see evidence of energy, and I can see evidence of energy. We're now looking to see whether or not we can kind of pick energy from the objects here. So for example, we looked at those three systems that we built, and we had to make a fan blade move. So I'm going to use kind of our fan example here to kind of get us started. So the fan spinning would be evidence of energy. This would be something that we can see evidence of because, again, here's our key concept, something moving or changing. We can see the fan blade moving and changing its position. Something that I can't see evidence in terms of something moving or changing would be maybe if the fan blade is not moving. Okay, the fan blade is not spinning. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to go through and kind of do the same thing for all of our different objects here. Okay, soccer ball moving, something I can or see evidence of energy. Soccer ball not moving would be in the other column, and so on. When I get through all of my items here, I'm going to hit the hand in button. A few things are going to happen. It's going to ask you to confirm. You're going to hit OK. And when you go back to your Amplify activity, boom, you'll see it handed in. Okay. From here, you're going to hit save and continue, and then you're done with that first part. Keep this screen up, though. You're going to need it as you move through today's lesson. If you have questions, okay, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.